Have you ever been called foolish simply because people could not understand your way of thinking? What if the world is laughing at you today because it does not yet see the game you are playing? Is it possible that real wisdom often looks like stupidity to those who only see the surface? Today's story will make you question whether proving yourself is more important than quietly winning in life. Long ago, in a grand kingdom, there lived a wise king known for his sharp mind. In his royal court, there was one minister whom the king trusted deeply. Whenever a problem arose, the king would say that the minister should be called, because he always knew the answer. Because of this trust, many people in the court became jealous. One day, during a gathering, the king laughed and spoke loudly. He said that the minister was very intelligent, but his son was not, and that the boy lacked wisdom. The court became silent. The minister felt hurt, but he remained respectful. He asked the king why he believed his son was foolish. The king smiled and explained that every morning, when he visited the marketplace, the minister's son stood there. The king said that he asked the boy the same question every day, asking which was more valuable, gold or copper. And every day, the boy chose copper. The court burst into laughter. The king said that everyone knew gold was more valuable, yet the boy continued to choose copper. The minister returned home feeling disturbed. That evening, he called his son and spoke gently. He asked his son to tell him honestly which was more valuable, gold or copper. The boy answered without hesitation and said that gold was more valuable. The minister was shocked. He asked why the boy then chose copper in front of the king and allowed people to laugh at him. The boy smiled calmly and asked his father to come with him. He opened a small wooden chest in his room. Inside were dozens of copper coins. The minister's eyes widened. The boy explained that these were the coins the king had given him. The minister asked why the boy did not take the gold just once and put an end to the laughter. The boy replied that the day he took gold, the king would stop asking the question. But as long as he chose copper, he earned a coin every day. He paused, then said softly that there was no reason to lose daily income just to prove he was smart for one moment. Tears filled the minister's eyes. That day, he understood something important. Wisdom does not shout. Wisdom calculates. From that day onward, whenever someone laughed at his son, the minister simply smiled, because he knew that his son was not foolish. He was quietly winning. Not every smart person needs applause. Not every winner needs approval. Sometimes real intelligence is choosing long-term gain over short-term pride. The world may call you foolish when it does not understand your strategy. Let them laugh. Focus on your results. If this story made you think differently, like this video, because wisdom deserves recognition. Subscribe to Moral of Storyline, where simple stories reveal deep life lessons. And comment one thing below. Have you ever been misunderstood for doing the right thing? Remember, lions do not explain themselves to sheep. See you in the next story.